Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your storage space on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. In System Settings, select Storage. Here you can see your storage, how much is used and remaining, as well as which apps are taking up space. You can click on Installed Apps to see a list of apps and filter by largest size. You can delete an app here by clicking the three dots button and selecting Uninstall. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.